welcome to White Belt lesson number 17, where I'll be testing you to your gold belt. Now before we get started, here's a list of things you're going to need. Number 1, to make the test official, you'll need to be wearing your official Cyber Sensei full uniform, pants and top. Number 2, you need to be wearing your Cyber Sensei white belt with all 8 stripes on it. Number 3, you will have to have taken all 16 white belt lessons. Number 4, you have to video me giving you the exam from the front, either one side or the other. Number 5, you need to create your own YouTube channel and upload the video of me testing you to your YouTube channel. You can make the video unlisted or public, just not private, because I'll need a password to view it. Number 6, you need to go to tryfreekarate.com and click on the testing portal tab at the top of the page. Number 7, click on the program you're enrolled on, either the basic program, the gold program, the pro team program, or the hyper team program. Number 8, you'll need to go ahead and pay for your private exam, and after you pay for your test, choose exam number 1 and upload your YouTube link from the test I just gave you. Number 9, there's also a place where you can upload a photo of your class tracker. If you do that, you get an extra 10 bonus points on your test. Number 10, once you upload your YouTube video link from your test and a photo of your class tracker, you're all set. One of our professional black belt instructors will review your test, give you feedback on what you did great and what you can do to become better, and either pass you or let you know you need to try again and improve on a few things. Number 11, if you pass, there'll be a link to download your official certification as long as you're a certification member. Okay, with all that being said, let's get started. Now that you're all set for the test, let's get started. To start things off, we're going to work on your life skill. And the life skill for white belt was good discipline. Everybody show me attention. Okay, bow courtesy, and then go to relaxed stance. That would be feet apart, hands behind your back. Okay, I'm going to ask you what good discipline is, and you need to say, do it the first time on your video exam. So what's good discipline? Means, stick that finger out, say it. That's right, do it the first time. One more time. What's good discipline? Means do it That's right, do it the first time. All right, now show me attention, bow courtesy, and relaxed stance. That means feet apart, hands behind your back. Next, we're going to work on your basic kicks and punches. All right, go to attention stance, feet together, hands at your side, bow courtesy, 3 seconds, 1, 2, 3, back up. Guarding stance to the left, loud yell, hiya. All right, get ready, here we go. First is going to be your front punch. Ready, front punch, 1, loud yell, hiya. Now step slide, front punch, 2, loud yell, hiya. 3, turning yell, good. All right, front punch, loud yell, hiya. Step slide 2, loud yell, hiya. 3, turning yell. Okay, next is going to be the back punch. Make sure you twist all the way on that back foot. Guards up, loud yells. Here we go, back punch, ready, 1, loud yell. Good, step side 2, loud yell, hiya. 3, turning yell, loud yell. All right, let's do the back punch again, go in the other direction. Back punch, ready, 1, loud yell, hiya. Step side 2, loud yell, hiya. Good, 3, turning yell. Next is going to be your front leg front kick. So that front knee has to go up really high, kick and refold, set it back down. Give me those loud yells. Keep those guards up. Here we go. Front kick, ready, 1, loud yell, hiya. Step slide 2, loud yell, hiya. 3, turning yell. Good. All right. Front kick, ready, 1, kick, loud yell, hiya. Step slide 2, loud yell, hiya. 3, turning yell. Good. Next is going to be the back fist. It's with your front hand. All right. Keep those guards up. Loud yells. Back fist, ready, 1, loud yell, hiya. Step slide 2, loud yell, hiya. 3, turning yell. Get ready. Let's do it again. Back fist, ready, 1, go hiya. Step slide 2, loud yell, hiya. 3, turning yell. Next is going to be the back leg front kick. Offensive style, meaning set it in the front. Guards up for me. Here we go. Kick that knee up high. Back leg front kick, 1, loud yell, hiya. Now with the other leg. Back leg 2, loud yell, hiya. 3, turning yell. All right. Back leg front kick. Get ready. Here we go. Back leg front kick, 1, loud yell, hiya. Good. With the other leg now. Back leg 2, loud yell, hiya. 3, turning yell. Good. All right. Now go to attention, bow courtesy, and relaxed stance. That means feet apart, hands behind your back. Next will be your 4 basic stances. I'm going to have you start relaxed stance. That means feet apart, hands behind your back. I'm going to say 4 basic stances, and you're going to say 4 basic stances, Sensei. Ready? 4 basic stances. And you say 4 basic stances, Sensei. Good. All right. We're going to start with the left. All right. Here we go. Ready? 1. Say attention stance, Sensei. Good. Now going to left. 2. Say guarding stance, Sensei. Good. Show me the good guarding stance. Number 3. Say back stance, Sensei. Show me the good back stance. Number 4. Say front stance, Sensei. Good. Both feet straight, hands on your side. Back straight for me. Good. The back leg should be straight, front knee bent. Back to 1. Say attention stance, Sensei. Good. Now going to the right. Ready? 2, say guarding stance, Sensei. Good. 3, say back stance, Sensei. Good. And 4, say front stance, Sensei. Good. And back to attention stance. Bow courtesy and relax stance. Feet apart, hands behind your back. The last part of the exam will consist of your stance drills. Here we go. Show me attention. Bow courtesy. Good. Turn to the left and stand in attention. The first one will be your front stance double punch drill. All right, I'm going to say front stance double punch drill, and you say front stance double punch drill, Sensei. Ready? Front stance double punch drill. And you say front stance double punch drill, Sensei. Good. 1, say chamber. 2, step out in front stance double punch, loud gel, hiya. 3, slide up and turn, stand in attention. Good. 1, say chamber. 2, step out in front stance double punch, loud gel, hiya. 3, slide up and turn. Next will be your front stance single punch drill. Ready? Front stance single punch drill. And you say front stance single punch drill, Sensei. Good. This time you just be stepping out in your front stance and doing a back punch. Here we go. 1, say chamber. 2, step out in the front stance, back punch, loud gel, hiya. 3, slide up and turn. Good. 1, say chamber. 2, step out, back punch, loud gel, hiya. 3, slide up and turn. Good. All right. Now turn face, feet, attention stance. All right. Next will be your back stance drill. I'm going to say back stance drill. You say back stance drill, Sensei. Ready? Back stance drill. And you say back stance drill, Sensei. Good. 1 is going to be guarding stance, right? To the left. 1, guarding stance, guarding stance, Sensei. Good. 2, step out and back stance, say back stance, Sensei. Good. 3, slide up and stand in attention, facing me. Good. Now we're going to go the opposite direction. 1, turn, say guarding stance, Sensei. Nice. 2, step out, say back stance, Sensei. Make sure it's 70% in the back, 30% in the front. Keep those guards up. Don't stick that booty up. Keep that back straight. Good. 3, slide up and go to attention stance. All right, stay right there. Next is going to be the horse stance drill. All right, ready? Horse stance drill. And you say horse stance drill, Sensei. Good. 1, standing up nice and straight. 1, say chamber. Good. 2, step out, say horse stance, Sensei. Good. 50-50 weight. Bend those knees. Keep that back straight. 3, slide up, attention stance. Good. Now we're going to go the other direction. 1, say chamber. Nice. 2, step over, say horse stance, Sensei. Good. Keep those knees bent. 50-50 weight. Back straight. Get those knees bent. Good. 3, slide up in attention. Very good. All right. Show me attention stance, bow courtesy, and relax stance. Hey, I want to say congratulations. Give yourselves a big hand. I am super proud of you, and you should be proud of yourself as well, as you just completed your very first exam at Cyberkicks Academy. Okay, now that you've done the exam, here's what to do next. Go ahead and take that exam video and upload it to the testing portal. And while you're waiting for one of the instructors to get back to you on how you did and give you feedback, go ahead and start training with Gold Belt Lesson number 1. Remember that a black belt is a white belt never quit. I'm the Cyber Sensei, and I'll see you on the next lesson.